For me, I always like clean setup with minimal cable. One of the key important component is the keyboard. So here comes Blitzwolf Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. It is actually 60% mechanical keyboard, but there is a catch. This keyboard has dedicated arrow key, support Bluetooth 5.0, and it can connect up to 5 devices. Hi, I'm Ferik Tantomi. Today we are going to talk about Blitzwolf Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. So in terms of price, this keyboard is only $50, so we can say this is a budget wireless mechanical keyboard. I want to shout out to Banggood for sending this keyboard for me to try. So let's see if this is a good budget mechanical keyboard. The unboxing experience was pretty much straightforward, the packaging was nice, and I got the black version with gathered red switches. Inside the packaging we got the keyboard itself, a USB-C cable, and a keycap puller. The cable is braided and I think the quality is quite good. They also include the keycap puller so you can use it to change the keycaps in the future. For $50 I think it is pretty cool. The overall keyboard looks nice and it has a floating key design. The case is using plastic, also with matte finish. I think the overall keyboard is quite light and I found it is actually very sturdy. On the back of the keyboard there is a Type-C port, and underneath the keyboard there are 6 rubber pads and 2 adjustable kickstand with rubber feet. Also there is a toggle button to turn on the Bluetooth mode. Talking about the keycaps, it is using a double shot ABS with OIM profile, so you don't need to worry that the phone will not fade easily in the keycaps. I found it the font choice is okay, but I think it can be better. In terms of material, I prefer PBT keycaps, but consider the price, I cannot ask for more. There is a caveat about the layout since it has an arrow key. So in my experience, I found 3 non-standard keycap size. So if you're looking for keycap, make sure you buy the 16% keycaps because it will be compatible. Talking about the switches, I got the gathered red, which is a linear. These are non-hot swappable, so you cannot customize the switches. I like how they go with gathered considering this is a low entry mechanical keyboard. As for the stabilizer, they are factory loop and I found it they are decent enough overall. So the best feature about this keyboard, it has Bluetooth 5.0 and it can connect up to 5 devices. The battery is about 1800 mAh, which is enough to last a few days. So in my experience, I don't find any issue connecting Bluetooth to my device. I can use it for a laptop, tablet, and smartphone without any hassle. This keyboard also comes with RGB backlight. So overall I think the light is bright enough and there is a couple of RGB backlight. In order to change the speed of the light, you can press this button. To change the RGB brightness, you can press this button. And to change the RGB light mode, you need to press this button. So I provide the typing sound test so you can get actual idea how it sounds like. So overall, I think this is really good budget mechanical keyboard. You got the most of the feature like other wireless mechanical keyboard offer. Also remember, this is only $50. The only downside I wish is a keycap use better font choice, also with PBT keycaps. So what do you think about this keyboard? Let me know your thought in the comment down below. That's it about the video. If you're interested with this keyboard, I will put links in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe more.